In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a sheet with view-only permissions right here in Google Sheets. So you want to share a spreadsheet to another person, but you don't want that person to be messing up with your data. What you can do is to share that sheet with limited permissions, which is what we call view-only permissions. And we can easily change that by managing our access before we actually share it. When you share a spreadsheet, you go to this tab right here. Click on that. And here we have our general access. So right now, there are 2 people with access to this spreadsheet right here. Now, if you want to limit the access of the person that you're currently sharing it, what you're going to do is to watch another video that I've dedicated to that. So I'm going to be linking a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. But for this example, let's say you're going to just share a link to another person, but you don't want them to, again, mess up with your data. What you're going to do is to go to the general access here at the bottom. Right now, it's restricted. The only people that have access with this are these ones right here. So if you're going to share this via link, you're going to go to this part right here first, go to restricted, and select anyone with link. After that, it will have these options right here on the right side, where we have viewer, commenter, and editor. So if the only access that you want for this person that you're going to share this spreadsheet with is just view only, then the role would be this one at the top right here. So don't change anything else. They will be exactly that, just a viewer to your spreadsheet. So once you've done with that, just copy the link and you can just send it to that person. And the only thing that they'll be able to do to your spreadsheet is just view it. And there you have it. So copy the link, send it to that person, then they'll be able to see your spreadsheet with view-only permissions. So again, share that spreadsheet by going to your share button right here, go to the general access and change that to anyone with a link, and make sure that the only role for that person would be viewer right here. Click on done, and there you have it. Now, if you want some extra help with sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you have to check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.